trendsetters, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new, welcome. So y'all, straight up y'all, let me get into this wig. I'm telling you, it took me a while to do this, I'm not gonna lie. Because I didn't watercolor it. I didn't want to watercolor. I kind of don't want to watercolor my wigs because I just kind of want to see what I can create if I kind of paint it on my head. To me, I be feeling like, when you do hair, well, especially when you're coloring hair, it's like you're painting almost, kind of like this is a canvas and you get to express yourself how you want to express yourself. So pretty much what I did, I used 3 different semi-permanent colors, y'all. And when I tell you they're from 3 different lines, I used Matrix semi-permanent, I used the navy, then I also used the Adore indigo, and I also used the Kiss titanium, I think cyan, to get the light blue highlights. And I just wanted the, I was really feeling really Nipsey inspired. So I kind of wanted to do the LA theme, just y'all know how, this a West Coast type vibe. And I'm just loving it. I'm loving these, loving it. So y'all just let me know what y'all want to see, what kind of content you want me to put up, because I love just sharing little different ideas that I do. And I definitely have more content coming soon this year and next year, the rest of this year and next year. So yeah, y'all, I'm not really trying to talk y'all head off. I just want to show y'all the stuff that I do. And if you also want to see me make press on nails, y'all comment below. Y'all just let me know what y'all want to see. I'm all for showing y'all what I have in store. So yeah, if you're loving this, you're loving me, just stay tuned, y'all. I just want y'all to stay tuned, and I will talk to y'all soon. So this is the wig that I purchased from Private Label Extensions. This is a 10-inch wig, and it is full lace. So I'm just showing you the inside, how it look. I removed the top and the bottom comb. I didn't record me doing that, but I definitely did it to get a more natural look. So now I'm about to tint the lace on the wig. I did this because I wanted the wig to match my skin tone a little better. So I went to my local Sally's and I purchased the Wella Color Tango and the 7B Bourbon. And I also purchased the 7N as well. And I want to tell y'all that when you put more of the 7B inside the 7N, it's going to be a little darker. So just be careful. Just to put an equal amount. If you're my skin tone, brown skin, a little darker, add a little more 7B. And if you're lighter, add a little bit more 7N. But I'm going to use that 20 volume developer. And I'm going to mix it in. And I am going to begin to tint the lace. So now I will begin to tint the lace, and I am going to put it on as fast as I can because with this product, it kind of processes real quick. So I'm going to just go in the front and around the back, and you want to at least try to put it on in between 3 to 4 minutes. And if it seeps into the lace, it's okay because we're going to put a dark color dye on top of it anyway. So yeah, just continue watching. So now after I have tinted the lace, I'm going to get into this color that I'm using. I'm using 3 different lines. I'm using the Matrix in the navy. I am also using the indigo in the Adore 112. Indigo blue, y'all. And I am using the Kiss titanium colors. And I'm using T20 level 8 cyan just to give it some highlight. The indigo and the navy will give it some low light, so it's going to be very dimensional. Also, I am going back to show you the brushes that I use, which were the 7-piece tint brush sets, and you can purchase that at your local Sally's. So now you'll see me coloring the hair. I parted the wig into 4 different sections, and the reason I did that so you can have better control when you are doing a semi-permanent, it's best to start it off kind of damp. And I started off with the color navy blue, then I went into the indigo blue, and then I went into the cyan. I am slicing the hair because I kind of want, like, a little bit of dimension, some chunks of highlights and lowlights. And I am going horizontally, and I'm taking my rat tail comb and I'm doing thin slices just to have that effect that I am looking for. So yeah, y'all just continue watching, and I'm gonna just work my way up around the wig. I know once I get to the sides of the wig on the front portion of the hair, I am going to do vertical parts. So yeah, y'all just continue to watch. this is what it looks like after I have finished putting the semi-permanent color on top. I let it sit on for a couple of hours, and I am going to then rinse it out. In the next clip, I'm going to show you how it looks wet. And then I also have the final results of how the hair turned out. So yeah, as y'all can see, I'm feeling myself. I'm loving it. I made the Nipsey matching press-on set to go with it as well. I'm loving this whole look, the whole theme. I wanted to dedicate this to Nipsey. Rest in peace. And yeah, y'all, I'm glad y'all made it this far in the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it, subscribe, and make sure y'all comment. And I'll see y'all next time, trendsetters. Love you.